Manuc Bey Mansion. Manuc Bey Mansion, located in the town of Hîncești, is a distinguished historical and architectural complex built between 1858 and 1861 in the after suffering damage during the Soviet era. The complex was restored between 2013 and 2015 and is now open to the public for guided tours, exhibitions, and cultural events, offering a valuable insight into Moldova's history and heritage. After the Second World War, the mansion was administered by Soviet authorities. At first, the estate housed a mechanization school, then a polytechnic secondary school. The wall that enclosed the entire estate was demolished in the late 1950s. The architectural complex was still in a satisfactory condition until the mid-1980s. The 1986 Vrancea earthquake damaged the palace so deeply that the majority of the buildings were in danger of collapsing or in ruins. A new building was erected for the school, and the castle began to deteriorate rapidly. The hunting lodge was largely preserved as a regional ethnographic museum had been opened there since 1979.